Hi everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to record your screen on a Windows 10 laptop or desktop. This is super handy for tutorials, gameplay, or even work presentations. Windows 10 has a built-in tool called the Xbox Game Bar. To open it, just type Xbox Game Bar into the search bar and hit enter. No downloads required. The game bar isn't just for gamers. It lets you capture screenshots, start screen recordings, and even save recent clips. Everything you need is right here in one overlay. To start recording, click the record button. If you want audio, you can enable system sound or add your microphone for narration. This makes it great for walkthroughs or commentary. If you need more professional features, try third-party apps like OBS Studio, Bandicam, or Loom. OBS Studio is especially popular with streamers thanks to its customization and overlays. And that's it. Recording your screen on Windows 10 is simple with the Xbox Game Bar, and you always have advanced tools like OBS if you need more. Try them out and see which one fits your workflow best.